Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to Southern Biker, and you join me at a BP garage in South Woodham because today, well, I'll be honest, I'm just out for a ride. I don't really have much planned, like structure-wise. I am thinking of popping into Whittam as the BMW dealer there has now taken on Aprilia, which is interesting because obviously that used to be Kawasaki. I've got the... Actually, what I mean by that is it used to be the Kawasaki Colchester branch that had Aprilia. I've got the Insta360 in the back. I've had a nightmare getting it set up. It's not even centered properly, but that's the best I'm going to get, I think. So, yeah, we'll make a move and we'll just see where I end up, I guess. Right, so we have arrived, and I can already see, just at the front here, we have got 1, 2, and 3 Aprilias. So here, we've got a Tuono 660 factory, and a Tuono V4 factory. And then here we've got, I can't remember what these are called, but it's obviously their adventure bike. That's on the side of the Tuareg, or however you say it. But yeah, they've got loads out here, to be fair. Loads of nice bikes, but obviously most of them are BMWs. Like this one rocking up. Yeah. So, I'm going to head inside and find the Aprilias, I guess, because I'm sure there's more in there.
A few moments later.
Right, well, I found where they're all at. So, this is the Piaggio group. So, you've obviously got Vespa, and then over there you've got Moto Guzzi. But here are the Aprilias. And I can't lie, I've seen this. This is the new Tuono, not Tuono, RS660 factory. And that colour, I don't know how well it's going to come on camera, but it's a lot nicer in person than it is in the pictures. Got quite a summery vibes as well. Quite like that. But yeah, so we've got, let me go back around the front. We have got, obviously, the new RS660s. 475 there, and I can't lie, I really wish that yellow was on one of the RSs. I know they did an RS with that yellow, but I don't know if it was the same kind of yellow, because I think it's a bit more like luminescent is the word I'm going to say. But yeah, that's a V4 125, and then back here we have got two RS V4 factories. But that's another V4 to one factory. A dirt bike and a ped over there. Some more Touaregs. Two 125s and another 660. And obviously over here we've got Moto Guzzi. But yeah, they've only recently opened this up, I believe, in here. So this is pretty sweet. And I mean, it's nice in here. It looks pretty sweet. Would like one of these next. And now there's a service centre near me, well, kind of near me. It's going to make things a lot better. But yeah. Right, I think the plan now is probably going to find a cafe somewhere to get a drink, because it is about 30 degrees outside. But yeah, even more BMWs out there. But yeah. It's pretty damn sweet. I've just realised I made a mistake. Standard factory, as you only get the black in the factory, but I've just sat on this and I can't lie, it's really comfy and I now really want one. Right, so we've arrived at the cafe. I did want a tea, but I thought it's so hot. I've got a can of Fanta instead. So this is the Cabin Dairy. I've shown this before, but if I came down here about 10 o'clock this morning, it would have been round with bikes, but I'm the only one here. But yeah, I'm gonna have this, and then I'm probably gonna head back to South End. But with the seawall just over there, so nice bit of scenery. But it's just nice to get out, and the roads up here are freaking sweet.